2019 VW GLI Jetta. It's got a AWE system, straight pipe. It's the racing system. You guys can see AWE tuning. I'm gonna let you guys hear it before with the AWE system he had installed. Go ahead, show you guys sound decibels and stuff. Go ahead. You guys can see it's really loud. When he's going down the highway, it's really loud. It drones inside. There's sound decibels again. So right at 95. One more. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a MAGNAFLOW round muffler on it. I'll get you guys the part number in a minute. Guys, so this is the Jetta GLI 2019. You guys can see. This is what we added to it, to that AWE system. A MAGNAFLOW, part number 12867, 3-inch in, 3-inch out, 20 inches long, right there. To tame it, you know, to quieten it down, give it a nice deeper tone, take the raspiness away. Then it's got the AWE system is a 3-inch system, stainless steel. It wides out over here, right there. Then it goes 2 1/4 out the back, right there, and right there. And then he's got some 4-inch tips on it, or 3.5-inch tips actually, right there and there, black. So that's what that system looks like. There's that MAGNAFLOW. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. What do you think? Yeah, there's no more pop. The pop is gone. It's just smooth now. There's sound decibels. Again. Yeah, perfect. So like right at 91 now. Again, what you guys hear on the inside, and it tames it a lot inside, guys, too. Takes the drone away. GLI 2019 Jetta GLI. Really nice. He said it droned really bad at like 65, 70. So hopefully this muffler will take that away. Oh,